Hello guys, this is another video, so you can follow the steps along the way so that you can bypass FRP. Press on emergency and press emergency information. You can see app click pane. You click on that pane, then click continue. Then here you press on contacts, then add contact, then voicemail. You click on it again, then you see three dots on top. You click on it, then share. You can share them on SMS so that you can access YouTube. Basically, that's why we click on that. You allow messages and type any YouTube channel you feel like, because there is where we want to click for terms and policy. Here you don't need to press, if you do, you press just youtube.com, so that here it will take you to YouTube. Then there is where it will ask you update. If the phone it wasn't updated, like having the apps which are very slow and not like working on YouTube, you go back, you use another phone, you use on share, you click on Zender and share the apps from another phone, or you download them using another phone, then you share through Zender, then you update. You see what I was saying has happened. When it says to update with Chrome, that means it has failed. What you do, you have to go back. It won't update on this stage. You see, it goes back. Whenever it brings Chrome, it asks you to update it. So what you do, you download it using another phone. You download. After downloading it, you share it to this phone. This is the app, quick shortcut. Then you open it. See, then you open the app after downloading it. Then you write OOBE. You will see that file. It's the file which will bypass FRP in this phone. Now you open the app. You count from top, then you press number 4, then click on try. You see, it now requires you to select the country where you are located. So that means it's totally done. It's already bypassed how you wanted it to be. You click next. See, congratulations, that means it's done. Thank you guys for watching.